doing today, you beautiful Chazzy Wooders. So I thought that today I'm actually on annual leave. I don't know why I'm moving, it's just to change the scenery, make it exciting. But I thought that I would bring you guys with me to Ikea. I know I'm becoming an adult because when I'm wearing clothing that makes sense for the activity I'm doing, I'm just like, whoa girl, you never used to be that clever. So the fact that this is happening means I'm becoming an adult. Also not wearing any makeup, although actually I'm going to put on a bit of mascara. I'll do that in a second. Furthermore, and I'm becoming an adult because I'm going to make myself a quick little snack before I get to Ikea, because I'm also going to go to the shopping centre in Greenwich and I'm going to make myself some ramen. Yum, 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 yum. So I'm just going to put some mascara on, make ramen, eat, and then we'll bounce. I've eaten and I am now ready to go, but I just thought I'd turn around and show you my full outfit of the day. So these are my wonderful new Crocs. I absolutely love them, and I am wearing them with my Levi's shorts, Urban Outfitters belt, Levi's pouch and a hat. Greenwich is currently over there somewhere. That's where I'm headed to. And these are views from my flat. So there's Greenwich, Canary Wharf, Stratford is the other side. And then you can see the walkie-talkie, the Gherkin, the Shard, St. Paul's Cathedral, the UBS building, that's the Scalpel, that's Elephant and Castle, that's the London Eye. And we're not gonna see Wembley, but Wembley's there. So the reason why I'm here today is because I'm looking for a desk, because I just feel like I haven't been as productive as I could have been. So I like the idea of having an adjustable desk which you can use as a standing desk, but I couldn't have this massive monstrosity without having my desk set up. I'm not gonna lie, I really love the concept of this standing desk. For those unfamiliar with standing desks, you can basically adjust your workstation, so you can either have it high or low, and all you do is just this. And I couldn't deal with that, so I've got like a bit of a hack. Like, I could just be so productive. Like, when I'm doing Chazzy Wood, I'd be like, hey guys, welcome to Chazzy Wood. Sense me painting this, but then this is currently stuck to the station. But I'm literally having like a play date on my own. This is such a bad idea. Why do I feel like I'm being bollocked? I'm gonna have fun until someone tells me off, because that's what all breakers do. You just have fun. Not many people know this about me, but when I grow up and I'm old, I want like an Arga oven, and also this kitchen. There's little deep sinks with the real ceramic closets are super hot, and all of the beautiful black facets. I feel like the pandemic and these face coverings that we're supposed to wear are basically hiding me from hiding my true identity from the world. So I'm just like rolling with it, and whereas a lot of people are quite embarrassed, I'm just like, what else, love? This room gives me major hipster vibes. I'm like 3/4 of the way to hipster, but I'm not like this kind of hipster. It's kind of like New York hipster. This screams family friendly. I'm sure there used to be like a plant room that used to be in here, which I used to much prefer to this, but rocking horse. This is like all the primary colors that make kids like super intelligent from a very, very early age. So yeah. Welcome to Chazzy's Deli. How can I help you today? What would you like to order?
Alright love, can I please have a ham and cheese baguette as well as a kappa?
So there's a queue for the food that I'm about to join before I resume shopping. Looking forward to this. It's like 4 p.m. or almost 5 p.m. actually, so it's time for dun-duns. So I haven't had an Ikea meal in like about 2 years because I've been far too bougie, and having come back, the menu is very, very strictly Swedish. Before they had like jerk chicken, which is what I wanted to have, but that's not going to happen. So I'm going to go for the 15 Swedish meatball meal for like £5. And I am also going to have I want like a sweet. I think I might go for the dime cake, but I do have dime cake at home in the freezer. So I might go for the Swedish apple cake and drinks. It looks like they no longer do wine. Really, guys? So I will have the, oh my goodness. We've got apple cider, which is 0.1% alcohol, and pear cider is like 0.1%. So I am going to just jiggle me, myself, and I over there and see what I fancy. Actually, there was got key lime pie as dessert, so blueberry cheesecake. So this is not gourmet dining, but it's Ikea dining, so I'm just going to like totally enjoy it. So yeah, options have decreased drastically, but we're surviving a pandemic. So I've ordered my food and I'm now just waiting for them to bring it over. That's like the biggest thing. Like there's like a whole production. It's like a posh canteen. It's like a canteen service, but usually you can like have a look, see what you fancy. Everything's very like sanitized, but I'll show you when it comes over. So that was a bit weird. And obviously they know I was selling alcohol because they need responsible people around. So I ordered an apple cider, which is like apple juice, but that's fine. But I'm actually quite peckish, so I'm looking forward to this. I've also just looked at my receipts and my meal seems a lot cheaper than it's supposed to be, but I'm still waiting for food. Still waiting. It's been 5 minutes. It's like going to a canteen and waiting for food. I'm not full. I won't die. I had noodles. I'm thirsty, but not that thirsty because I just had like an iced tea. Swedish meatballs. This is the mash. These are the Swedish meatballs. And this is the Lindbergh sauce. And then just take this. And then obviously I have that afterwards. So I'm just going to have it. This is actually really nice. Really, really nice. before Collins. I don't know why I'm such an exhibitionist. Like, I'm all on my own, having such a great time. Like, in the UK, as of today, you get fined if you hang around more than 6 people. Like, those are the only people I know. Anyway, let me just, at least my voice is well. I'm not doing like my usual loud style. The only thing that would make this better is if this was a box like that. It just means I'm not going to spend as much as I would do usually. It's really nice and hard, and the meringue has this like lovely crunch. I'm gonna wrap this up because it's getting too much. So I'm stuffed, so that is gonna get left, and this is far too much. So yeah, we're gonna leave that. Busy shopping. Hey guys, so I'm back home, and oh my gosh, I'm absolutely pooped. So I got my stuff, and I just have a couple of more chores to finish off, but I thought that this would be the perfect place to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, dislike, turn the bell notification, all that good stuff. And I've still got some things to go get from Ikea, but basically going there today and going that late was a bit of a rubbish decision to make, and I always annoy my mum by just how I've got no sense of urgency in my life. But by the time I went there wasn't as much amazing things to pick from, and one of the issues is they're low on stock, just like all the other shops are. So I've kind of like, I think of all the main pieces, there's a couple of bits that have left me pondering. So I think when I do my little home office snood, whatever I'm going to call it, I am going to bring you along, and that will be a different video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you loads, Chazzy Wood is. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.